Hey there guys, welcome to another video. Now today we are in this map called the self-building map made by, I don't know, let's get shout out to Blue Fly Away guys. So go ahead and subscribe it on YouTube, and also the creator, I don't know his creator, and the readme. Let's just go to creator because he's like the YouTube, that's like their YouTube channel. Self-building house by Blueberry Twitter. Okay, that was nice. Okay, then read me. What's a read me? B building is the very house not currently standing in, not a very pretty house. I know, but isn't but the house, but how you build it. That was so really good. That was really good. I have to turn off my volume by the way, cause that okay. All right, I don't need to read those stupid descriptions. Okay, other maps. Blues minigame. Blues redstone house. 25 ways to die. 25 ways to die 2. Untenable. CTF. The Runaway Edition. The Rift. Coming soon is 25 ways to die 3. Wow, I like this map now. Okay, but let me real quick go to times at 0. Okay, so no one mobs will ever hurt me. Real quick at the door. So what does it say? Minecraft Bedrock lacks a lot of commands. Yes, guys. So the commands for Bedrock is really hard. Okay, so compared to Java, that is, but that doesn't mean we can't make stuff like this in MCP. All right. So are you ready? Okay, I am ready. Stuff. Blue Flyway presents the South Building House. This is the South, I mean, that's the South. You can use Game Mode C for a better review, and press to start building the house. Survival, creative. I'm gonna go probably creative. I'm already creative, so I can change my thing. Correct, right? Start building and. You're building a process. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? I didn't see this. What the? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That's so OP. What the flip? Oh, what the heck? What the heck? Guys, if you want to make a house that is self-building house and it made another creation, just expose it there. Some creations, guys, you gonna need, if you want to make this, you gotta need a lot of command blocks. What the this was lightning. And the flip. You're gonna need, guys, a lot of commands to do this. Like, I've watched this in YouTube, how to make a self-building house. You need a lot of them. It's like a mountain of command blocks just right up there. Okay, that was so fun, guys. Flip, bro. The flip. It came. All things came out there. I gotta need to explore this house. Oh, furnace is just running in there, bro. What? Let's just view this real quick. Not much here, no secrets. Oh, look at that. That's your farm. What the flip?
You can check out the command blocks under my grave. And press the button again to dismantle the house.
What grave? What is he talking about a grave? Talking about a ravine or something? What is it talking about a grave? What grave? Is that grave? Oh, is this? Wait. Guys, it's done. It's completely done. It's a villager there. That's the grave. So let's just get a house tour, yeah? Okay. So that's control. There's like a safety pond. I don't know what is this thing, but that's a safety pond. There's a chicken. I wanna eat you, chicken. Eat you, chicken. That's sorry. It basically is like there's a villager there. Where's the entrance? Yeah, so we're gonna check that grave there, but I wanna see where's the entrance. Like, what the flip, bro? There. Hey, villager. What can you trade me, by the way? The flip, brought in flesh. I don't want to kill a lot of zombies. I don't have any sword. The flip, bro. What? There's even a green bed. There's like music in here and some stuff and some other stuff. Oh, use a lot of things. What the flip, bro? OP stuff. Some cooking in the furnace. Let me see. I want some steak. Like, what the flip? They didn't put steaks. Whoa, this is an awesome. You gotta need to try this with the flip. I have a flower. Blue orchid. I guess he likes blue. Oh my god, bro, this is so OP. Bro, OP stuff. Alright guys, so I pretty much get everything. I got this thing, I got that thing, I got this thing, and I get that thing. It pretty much is. That's all he gets. I got a sharpness 5. What the? Alright, let's do this. Sharpness 5 and breaking, fire spec, and looting. What is that again? And mending 1. What the? He's gonna die, bro. Bro, you're gonna die. What the flip? Unbreaking fortune. Let me just try this quick outside, real quick, because I don't want to destroy things. Okay, I saw some. I hope that played it out. Chicken. Don't flip it, just chicken. All right, that's mine. This obsidian. That's mine. This obsidian. I don't care if this. What? That was fast. It was very. All right, so that killed really quick. Where's? Let me real quick find some. Like, is this like an unbreaking? Yeah, so that's unbreaking, infinite, and powerful. This because unbreaking, fortune, mending, efficiency. What's this? No. What's this? Breaking and mending. That's cool. And breaking and mending. Let's just real quick. He has a lot of maps. Other maps: Blues minigame, Blues redstone house, 25 ways to die. As I said, 25 ways to die. 2 untenable city F the runaway edition. The rift coming soon is 3 so 24 part 3. He has a lot of irons and stuff. Let me real quick. He has iron, and he has diamond, he has gold, and he has emerald, and he has a head. I have a head. Okay. I have a head, and it was so cool. Oh yes, I have a head. 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 I have a head, and it is very cool. Blueberries. Blue always flipping head is so cool, bro. Let's just real quick. We don't have any bows, so I don't have any arrows for the meantime. I also have a gravity gun. Huh? How is this? Let me real quickly fish. Okay, bro. What is this? Unbreaking and mending. Lure. That's like flip. Can I get some fish? I haven't fished. Come on. Come on. I know it's just a small pan, but I know. No, I didn't get the fish. Well, we didn't try the bow, but I think that's OP. This is OP, bro. OP. OP. Keep your head in there, and I'm just gonna put this thing away. Bro, this is so much fun, bro. This is his grave. This is Here lies blue fly away along with pineapple on pizza. He said we can or drink. Bro, this is so good. The hell is it? Bro, are those command blocks? Ow. No fall damage, bro. No fall damage at all. Because I have this all. What the flip? Guys, if you've seen this, what is this? Like, what the flip is this? This is OP. If you, as I said, if you want to build a self-building house, this is what you're gonna need to do. You know, see that? If I'm gonna jump, okay? Look, there's a lot of command blocks that you have to set. Some is glitchy. You have some diamonds and stuff. Massive TNT fail. I don't want to talk about it. Like, this is the fail. It glitched it. This. Have you tried the gravity gun? It's the fishing rod. Oh yeah. I don't know. That's like the flip of that. Oh, there's the OPness. This is the OPness. Bro, nice. This is like, bro, I like this room. It's a bit glitchy, you guys can see. Press to dismantle the house. Okay.
At deconstructing.
Oh my god, I can hear explosions. Let me quickly just... Come on! One. Alright, I can fly now. The flip is happening outside. Like, what? This is a high fall. I didn't even take any damage. And so... Alright, okay. That was nice. Blueberry, you are a legend. Earl, give me real quick some dirt for him. Coarse dirt. Of course, it's coarse, like a very coarse dirt. Thank you, Blueberry. Here's your head. I can throw every openness in there. One. Wait, just give me a second. Oh. Bye, emeralds. Goodbye, emeralds. Oh my god, that is a very, very OPness. I throw every sword, every weapons down there. If you can see, there's shot. Oh, oops. I'm sorry. Here's your head. I'm just gonna quickly there, and I'm gonna throw your other head up there. Woo, bye bye and goodbye and only you. But we didn't try this though. We didn't try this. Like, what the flip is this? Where's this leading? Oh, this is basically where all the blocks has been like given. Like, all the blocks have been taken, and all the rails probably use this and to like technically they went up and through these things. Bro, what the flip is this? They didn't even take the water. They forgot to take the water. They didn't even know that this is a very good one. I want you guys to probably shout out to Blue Away. Press to start the building to the house. I don't really need it anymore, and then stuff. So, I just want you guys to know that if you can download this map, if you're an Android Pocket Edition, go ahead and install MCP Master, and you can find a map just like this, self-building, and this is made by blew away, and it's very, very good. And I'm pretty much done. I'm pretty much done. Like this is like the most OP. Yep, that's the most OP thing in the world. That's the OP world. Alright. So guys, thank you all for watching. Guys, make sure guys you go ahead and leave a like, and also subscribe and slap that bell, guys, to never miss any video. So guys, let me know at the comments what maps do you really want to like to see on, you know, this game probably. So technically this is the best self-building map. I downloaded self-building map and stuff, and that was so glitchy. This thing, what the flip, bro. And I also, since I download another map of this, it is basically the worst map I ever seen. The other map that I downloaded, because it was so slow. And if you actually like take the building off up there, you can see basically when I press the button to like discard every building and they're probably make it normal again, it just exploded it just exploded, and that was real quick and real fun. I missed the explosion. Like, what the flip? Like, so, guys, take, stay crazy, stay safe, stay Jazz Kingdom. Bye.